Hello everyone, welcome to the Fairfield Public Library. Today in our Take and Make kit, we are making a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Continue to watch the video so you can make this cool frog with me. Okay, so in your Take and Make bag, you should have these items below. A cutout for 2 eyes, 2 frog legs, a frog tongue, a frog body, a piece of paper towel roll, scissors, black crayon, and glue. The first step we're gonna do is take our green paper and wrap it around our paper towel roll. So, make sure you put enough glue so that it can really stick. And so here, and then wrap, and let's stick that down. Might want to rub it a little bit to make sure that it is pretty great. Perfect. Our next step is we're going to take our 2 legs and bend either both on top or one at a time. We're just going to bend up one and then take that piece and bend down again. So it'll be bend like this or fold it. Great. Let's put those 2 to the side. One is going to go on each side of our frog. So we'll take our glue and rub down the side for his leg. We're going to take our frog leg and we're going to put it upside down. And then we're going to loop it back around to have a frog leg. And then we'll do the other side. So upside down with the bend at the top. And then we are going to loop it back around. Oh, make sure you add some glue before you loop it. We're gonna loop it back around. And those would be our frog legs. Our next step is to take our eyes and cut out one eye. Two eyes. Take our black marker and color in the middle. Perfect. We are going to then glue on our 2 frog eyes. One and 2. Perfect. Our next step is to draw a smiley face on our frog. Take your red strip and marker, and we're going to wrap around the marker. And then you're gonna leave a little bit there, and you're just gonna bend that back. We'll put some glue on the bend part and place it right in the middle of our smiley face. And here we have our frog. Thank you for continuing to watch and make this cool frog with me. As always, please make sure that you check out what's happening here at the Fairfield Library by checking out the calendar. Until next time, bye.